Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon. Thank you very much for watching my video. So today uh, I'm preparing soursop leaf tea. Okay, so this is soursop leaf. It's very good. If you have it, you can be preparing it. It's have a lot of benefits. Okay, so this is the one I'm cooking. It's on fire. You see, it's nice. It's very nice. So I'm going to allow the tea to come out very well. Okay, so if you want to do it the way I'm doing it, so if you have the fresh leaf, just wash it, the fresh leaf, rinse it inside water, clean water, and dry it. Put it inside house, it will dry. You no need to keep it inside sun. So, and if you want to use it the way I'm using it, put it inside water and rinse it very well. So you can now boil it. Thank you very much for watching. Soursop leaf is good for cancer. Okay, if you have any sickness, just use it. This is home remedy you can take. Thank you. So here is my civic clothes. It's coming out gradually. You can use this to wash your hair, your skin. You can use this to bath too. If you want to use this, you can use this to bath. So now it's ready. So I want to allow it to cool down and add water to this. So this is drinking water. So when I want to take the tea, I will on the fire. So the nutrients, it will be continue coming out. So we have to allow this one to cool down before taking it. So viewers, it has cooled down. Hmm. You can take it before eating, or if you want to sleep, you can take it. So this is nice, delicious. Bye bye. Mwah.